या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु श्रद्धारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु कान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लक्ष्मीरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु वृत्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु स्मृतिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु दयारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु तुष्टिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु भ्रान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। इन्द्रियाणामधिष्ठात्री भूतानां चाखिलेषु या भूतेषु सततं तस्यै व्याप्तिदेव्यै नमो नमः। चितिरूपेण या कृत्स्नमेतद्व्याप्य स्थिता जगत् नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। स्तुतासुरैर्पूर्वमभीष्टसंश्रया तथा सुरेन्द्रेण दिनेषु सेविता करोतु सा नः शुभहेतुरीश्वरी शुभानि भद्राण्यभिहन्तु चापदः। या साम्प्रतं सोद्धगदैत्यतापितैरस्माभिरीशा च सुरैर्नमस्यते या च स्मृता तत्क्षणमेव हन्ति नः सर्वापदो भक्तिविनम्रमूर्तिभिः। ऋषिरुवाच ऋषिरुवाच एवं स्तवादियुक्तानां देवानां तत्र पार्वती एवं स्तवादियुक्तानां देवानां तत्र पार्वती stavadi. There is padabedam. Okay, no, there is no padabedam. There is no padabedam. Sometimes what happens, they do the printing. Sometimes it happens. You want the AC to be on? Evam stavadiyuktanam devanam tatra Parvati.
Evam stavadiyuktanam devanam tatra Parvati. Evam stavadiyuktanam devanam tatra Parvati.
Snatumabhyayayau toye.
Snatumabhyayayau toye. Snatumabhyayayau toye.
Jahnavya Nrupanandana.
Jahnavya Nrupanandana. Jahnavya Nrupanandana.
Snatumabhyayayau toye. Jahnavya Nrupanandana.
Snatumabhyayayau toye. Jahnavya Nrupanandana. Snatumabhyayayau toye. Jahnavya Nrupanandana.
Evam stavadiyuktanam devanam tatra Parvati. Snatumabhyayayau toye. Jahnavya Nrupanandana.
Evam stavadiyuktanam devanam tatra Parvati. Snatumabhyayayau toye. Jahnavya Nrupanandana. Evam stavadiyuktanam devanam tatra Parvati. Snatumabhyayayau toye. Jahnavya Nrupanandana.
Nrupanandana is the king. He's now Rishi is explaining, addressing the king. King, what happened? When the gods were just engaged in praising the goddess, that is, Evam Stavadi Yukthanam Devanam. All the gods were busy praising the goddess. Then, Tatra, then, that time, Parvati Snatumabhyayayau toye Jahnavya. Parvati came there. Parvati came there in the pretext to have a bath in the waters of Jahnavi Ganga. Jahnavi Ganga got the name Jahnavi because when Bhagirath did the tapas, penance, the water went and demolished the ashram of the sage Jahnu. So he drank all the water. Then after a lot of pleading, he released it through his ears. So she's supposed to be the daughter of Jahnu because she came from Jahnu. She is called Jahnavi. Okay, two things. The word Ganga here is mentioned. The entire thing is happening on the earth. This, we have to understand, Karma Bhumi, all karmas had to take here. Karma Bhumi is not only where you do your karma, this Bhumi itself is the place where everything will take place. It is not in the heaven. Heaven is only the phalam, the fruits of your action. All the actions are only on earth. So Jahnavya, the word they have mentioned that she came there, when she came there to take bath in the waters of Ganga, then it means that the thing is happening on earth. Okay, this is two things that you have to remember on that. Okay. Sabravitan suran subhrur.
Sabravitan suran subhrur. Sabravitan suran subhrur.
Bhavadbhistuyate trakha.
Bhavadbhistuyate trakha. Bhavadbhistuyate trakha.
Sabravitan suran subhrur bhavadbhistuyate trakha.
Sabravitan suran subhrur bhavadbhistuyate trakha. Sabravitan सुरान् सुभ्रूर्भवद्भिस्तूयते त्रका
மாமி எல்லாமே சாப்ரவீத்
சாப்ரவீத்தம்
அப்புறம் சுப்ரூர்
சுப்ரூர் சுப்ரூர் சுப்ரூர் means with beautiful eyebrows. Bru means eyebrows. Okay. Eyebrows supposed to be enhance the beauty of the person. That is why nowadays we don't have the natural one also, we go and get it done beautifully, like eyebrows. That is why Subru, she has got, naturally she has got the beautiful eyebrows. Sabra Sharira Kosha Taschasyaha
शरीरकोशतश्चास्याः शरीरकोशतश्चास्याः
Samudbhuta Bhavichiva
समुद्भूता ब्रवीचिवा समुद्भूता ब्रवीचिवा.
So the Samudbhuta Abravit means talked, okay, spoke, who spoke. Abravit Shiva means the auspicious one, Shiva. So there is this chandi that has come here, Abravit Shiva, that is Abravit Shiva, the sandhi has come there, okay. Sharira kosha taschasya samudbhuta bravit Shiva.
शरीरकोशतश्चास्या समुद्भूता ब्रवीचिवा शरीरकोशतश्चास्या समुद्भूता ब्रवीचिवा.
Sabravitan suran subhrorбhavadbhistuyate traka Sharira kosha taschasya samudbhuta braviciva.
साब्रवीतान् सुरान् सुभ्रूर्भवद्भिस्तूयते त्रका शरीरकोशतश्चास्या समुद्भूता ब्रवीचिवा. साब्रवीतान् सुरान् सुभ्रूर्भवद्भिस्तूयते त्रका शरीरकोशतश्चास्या समुद्भूता ब्रवीचिवा.
The next 4 chapters are going to be full of action till we reach our 11th chapter. 11th chapter only Narayan Sati will come. The next 10, up to 10 it is only story time. Okay. Sabhravitan Suran Subhrur Stuyate Traka Subhrur Bhavat Bhistuyate Traka. Subhrur is the one who has got beautiful eyebrows. The Parvati asked this Suran, the celestials, who are you praising? Whom you are? Now you read lot of hymns now. Who are you praising? She asked. That time, from her body, Sharira Kosham, from her body. Remember the word Kosham is used here, the sheath. Kosham means sheath because her name later is called Kaushiki. Because she emerged from the Kosham, she is called Kaushiki. Okay? One auspicious form, Samudbhuta, one auspicious form, Shiva. One auspicious form emerged from the Samudbhuta, emerged from the body of Parvati, and she replied. Who asked? Parvati is asking the celestials, who are you praising? At that time, one auspicious form emerged from her only and replied to Parvati. Got it? Replied to Parvati. So there is no two, there is only one. So she is only asking, it is only from the replies. So many times we have questions, we have our own answers too, like that. It is the same thing, okay? Stotram mamaitat kriyate.
Stotram mamaitat kriyate. Stotram mamaitat kriyate.
Shumbha daitya nirakrutaihi.
शुम्भदैत्यनिराकृतैः शुम्भदैत्यनिराकृतैः
स्तोत्रं ममैतत् क्रियते शुम्भदैत्यनिराकृतैः
स्तोत्रम् ममैतत् क्रियते शुम्भदैत्यनिराकृतैः स्तोत्रम् ममैतत् क्रियते शुम्भदैत्यनिराकृतैः
देवैः समेतैः समरे
देवैः समेतैः समरे
समेतैः समरे
देवैः समेतैः समरे देवैः समेतैः समरे
निशुम्भेन पराजितैः
निशुम्भेन पराजितैः निशुम्भेन पराजितैः
देवैः समेतैः समरे निशुम्भेन पराजितैः
देवैः समेतैः समरे निशुम्भेन पराजितैः देवैः समेतैः समरे निशुम्भेन पराजितैः
स्तोत्रं ममैतत् क्रियते शुम्भदैत्यनिराकृतैः देवैः समेतैः समरे निशुम्भेन पराजितैः
स्तोत्रम् ममैतत् क्रियते शुम्भदैत्यनिराकृतैः देवैः समेतैः समरे निशुम्भेन पराजितैः स्तोत्रम् ममैतत् क्रियते शुम्भदैत्यनिराकृतैः देवैः समेतैः समरे निशुम्भेन पराजितैः.
The auspicious form which emerged from Parvati's body. Yes.
This is Devai or Devyai?
No, Devai. Devai Samedha. Not Devyai. Because Samedha means the assembled.
Devyai Sametyai it is given.
No. Devai Samedha is because it is assembled gods. The assembled gods who were defeated in the summary, in the battle against Nishumbha. This is what the line means. Okay. Stotram amaitha kriyate Shumbha dhaitya nirakritaihi. The form that emerged, the auspicious form that emerged from the body of Parvati started speaking. They addressed me. They didn't. Who you are praising? Parvati was asking, no? Parvati was asking the gods, who are you praising? That time one form emerged from her and replied, they are praising me.
Oh, okay.
Okay, they are praising. That form replied, they are praising me. Nobody else. Why? Who are they? Those people, Shumbha dhaitya nirakritahi. They were cast out by Shumbha. This assembly of gods who were cast out by Shumbha and who were defeated in the battle by Nishumbha. Shumbha dhaitya nirakritahi means they were sent out of the heavens, their place. Shumbha is now ruling the heaven. Okay? So, they were cast out by Shumbha and they were defeated in the war. Samare means war, defeated by Nishumbha. The assembled gods who were cast out by Shumbha and defeated by Nishumbha, they addressed me. So I am the one who had to reply to them. Sharira koshadhyattasya yattasya, sorry. Sharira koshadhyattasya
शरीरकोशाद्यत्तस्य
पार्वत्या निःसृताम्बिका
पार्वत्या निःसृताम्बिका
शरीरकोशाद्यत्तस्याः पार्वत्या निःसृताम्बिका
शरीरकोशाद्यत्तस्याः पार्वत्या निःसृताम्बिका शरीरकोशाद्यत्तस्याः पार्वत्या निःसृताम्बिका
कौशिकीति समस्तेषु
कौशिकीति समस्तेषु
ततो लोकेषु गीयते
ततो लोकेषु गीयते
कौशिकीति समस्तेषु ततो लोकेषु गीयते
कौशिकीति समस्तेषु ततो लोकेषु गीयते कौशिकीति समस्तेषु ततो लोकेषु गीयते
शरीरकोशाद्यत्तस्याः पार्वत्या निःसृताम्बिका कौशिकीति समस्तेषु ततो लोकेषु गीयते
शरीरकोशाद्यत्तस्याः पार्वत्या निःसृताम्बिका कौशिकीति समस्तेषु ततो लोकेषु गीयते शरीरकोशाद्यत्तस्याः पार्वत्या निःसृताम्बिका कौशिकीति समस्तेषु ततो लोकेषु गीयते.
Since she emerged from the bodily form of Parvati, Sharira Koshad Yattasya Parvatya, this Ambika who emerged from the bodily form of, because she emerged from the bodily form of Parvati, she is called Kaushikiti Samasteshu Tato Lokeshu. The entire world, all the three worlds praised her as by name Kaushiki, because she emerged from the kosham of Parvati. Okay? Because she emerged, since she emerged from the bodily form of Parvati, she is called Kaushiki. She is known, glorified as Kaushiki by on all the three worlds. Okay? Tasyam vinirgadhayam tu gathayam tu. Tasyam vinirgadhayam tu.
Tasyam vinirgadhayam tu. Tasyam vinirgadhayam tu.
Krishna bhotsapi Parvati.
Krishna bhotsapi Parvati. Krishna bhotsapi Parvati.
Tasyam vinirgatayam tu Krishna bhotsapi Parvati.
Tasyam vinirgadhayam tu Krishna bhotsapi Parvati. Tasyam vinirgadhayam tu Krishna bhotsapi Parvati.
Kaliketi samakhyatha.
Kaliketi samakhyata. Kaliketi samakhyata.
Himachala krutashraya.
Himachala krutashraya. Himachala krutashraya.
Kaliketi samakhyatha. Himachala krutashraya.
Kaliketi samakhyata. Himachala krutashraya. Kaliketi samakhyata. Himachala krutashraya.
Tasyam vinirgatayam tu Krishna bhotsapi Parvati. Kaliketi samakhyatha Himachala krutashraya.
Tasyam vinirgatayam tu Krishna bhusapi Parvati Kaliketi samakhyata Himachalakritashraya Tasyam vinirgatayam tu Krishna bhusapi Parvati Kaliketi samakhyata Himachalakritashraya.
When the auspicious form emerged from Parvati, which is beautiful, very auspicious, then Parvati became black. Krishna bodhsapi Parvati. Parvati became dark. As soon as this vinirgatayam, as soon as this aspect emerged from her as the pure auspicious form, Kali, she becomes dark. Kali keti samakhyata Himachala Kritashri. She is called Kali. And she stayed in the Himalayas only, in the abodes of Kritashri. Himachala Kritashri. She stayed there. It was her abode. Very beautiful this is, because in the first and second chapter, we saw the first chapter, she was in the tamasic form. Second chapter, she was in the rajasic form. The third chapter has the combination of sattvic. That is why the pure form, when it emerged as beautiful form, Ativa su manohara, it's a beautiful form that emerged. But there is a terrorizing aspect behind that form, which was now left behind in Himalaya, and it is going to come back when it is needed. This is what it implies. She is, we saw it, no? She moves around in this world in her beautiful form. So the beautiful form has now emerged. There is a purpose behind both the forms to be in this third charita. They are mentioned together. That is the reason. Okay. Vinirgatayam, that emerged. That came out. Vinirgataya. Okay. That came out. Okay. Tatombikam param rupam.
Tatombikam param rupam. Tatombikam param rupam.
Bibranam sumanoharam.
Bibranam sumanoharam. Bibranam sumanoharam.
Tatombikam param rupam. Bibranam sumanoharam.
Tatombikam param rupam. Bibranam sumanoharam. Tatombikam param rupam. Bibranam sumanoharam.
Dadarsha chando mundascha.
Dadarsha chando mundascha. Dadarsha chando mundascha.
Bhrutyau shumbhanishubhayoh.
Bhrutyau shumbhanishubhayoh. Bhrutyau shumbhanishubhayoh.
Dadarsha chando mundascha. Bhrutyau shumbhanishubhayoh.
Dadarsha chando mundascha. Bhrutyau shumbhanishubhayoh. Dadarsha chando mundascha. Bhrutyau shumbhanishubhayoh.
Tatombikam param rupam. Bibranam sumanoharam. Dadarsha chando mundascha. Bhrutyau shumbhanishubhayoh.
Tatombikam param rupam. Bibranam sumanoharam. Dadarsha chando mundascha. Bhrutyau shumbhanishubhayoh. Tatombikam param rupam. Bibranam sumanoharam. Dadarsha chando mundascha. Bhrutyau shumbhanishubhayoh. Bhayoho
Tadhombikam Param Rupam Bibranam Sumanoharam. Such a beautiful form, such a beauty, bearing all kind of auspiciousness. Who sees that? Dadarsha Chanda Mundasta. The Chanda Munda sees the beautiful form of Ambika. Who are they? They are Bhrityo. Bhrityo means servants. Shumba Nishumbayo. They are the servants of Shumba and Nishumba. They see the beautiful form of Ambika in the Himalayas. Ati Sumanohara. Bibrana means bearing that form. The form which is bearing all auspicious beauty. Sumanohara. All the beauty it is bearing. That form, Chanda Munda sees her in the, who are the Chanda Munda are the servants of Nishumba, Sumba and Nishumba. So what happens when you see the beautiful sea, you can sit there hours and you can see the beauty of the ocean till it becomes a tsunami. This is what is actually what it is. The nature by itself is a beauty to look at, beauty to behold. But when it takes the other rupam, we cannot handle it. We cannot. Earth when it starts shaking, how many people lost in Venezuela now? We have no control over that. There is going to be floods. There are like tsunami kind of things that are happening. Then there is no remedy for us. So both the aspects are present in the Prakriti as well as Prakriti is what is Ambika. So the form is, so these people are now carried away by the beauty of this form. They don't know what the other one exists in the Himalayas. They see only this beautiful form. Okay. Tabhyam Shumbaya Chakyatha
Tabhyam Shumbhaya Chakyada Tabhyam Shumbhaya Chakyada
Ativa Sumanohara
Adiva Sumanohara Adiva Sumanohara
Tabhyam Shumbhaya Chakyatha Ativa Sumanohara
Tabhyam Shumbhaya Chakyada Adiva Sumanohara Tabhyam Shumbhaya Chakyada Adiva Sumanohara
Kapyaste Stri Maharaja
Kapyaste Stri Maharaja Kapyaste Stri Maharaja
Bhasayanti Himachalam
Bhasayanti Himachalam Bhasayanti Himachalam
Kapyaste Stri Maharaja Bhasayanti Himachalam
Kapyaste Stri Maharaja Bhasayanti Himachalam Kapyaste Stri Maharaja Bhasayanti Himachalam
Tabhyam Shumbhaya Chakyatha Ativa Sumanohara Kapyaste Stri Maharaja Bhasayanti Himachalam
Tabhyam Shumbhaya Chakyata Adiva Sumanohara Kapyaste Stri Maharaja Bhasayanti Himachalam Tabhyam Shumbhaya Chakyata Adiva Sumanohara Kapyaste Stri Maharaja Bhasayanti Himachalam.
As soon as they saw this beautiful form, they rushed to Shumba and Nishumba to tell them, Maharaja, oh great king. There is one lady. They don't know who it is. Unknown. One lady who is very beautiful. And we have never seen anything like that. Surpassingly beautiful lady dwells in Himachala. Bhasayanti. The whole place gets illuminated because of her. Whole Himalayas got illuminated because of her. She is in Himachala. We saw one beautiful lady, unknown, because there is no way they will know who it is, because they saw her alone there in Himalayas, and said like, we saw Shumba, Akhyada. Akhyada means told Shumba, Cha Akhyada. They told Shumba, like, we saw one unknown lady who is extremely beautiful and who illuminates the whole of Himalayas. She dwells in Himalayas. Naivata drukva chidrupam.
Naivata drukva chidrupam. Naivata drukva chidrupam.
Drushtam kena chiduttamam.
Drushtam kena chiduttamam. Drushtam kena chiduttamam.
Naivada drukva chidrupam. Sorry. Drushtam. Naivata drukva chidrupam. Drushtam kena chiduttamam.
Naivata drukva chidrupam. Drushtam kena chiduttamam. Naivata drukva chidrupam. Drushtam kena chiduttamam.
Nyayatam kapya saudevi.
Nyayatam kapya saudevi. Nyayatam kapya saudevi.
Gruhyatam cha sureshvara.
Gruhyatam cha sureshvara. Gruhyatam cha sureshvara.
Nyayatam kapya saudevi. Gruhyatam cha sureshvara.
Nyayatam kapya saudevi. Gruhyatam cha sureshvara. Nyayatam kapya saudevi. Gruhyatam cha sureshvara.
Naivata drukva chidrupam. Drushtam kena chiduttamam. Nyayatam kapya saudevi. Gruhyatam cha sureshvara.
Naivata drukva chidrupam. Drushtam kena chiduttamam. Nyayatam kapya saudevi. Gruhyatam cha sureshvara. Naivata drukva chidrupam. Drushtam kena chiduttamam. Nyayatam kapya saudevi. Gruhyatam cha sureshvara.
Kena, nowhere. Naivata druk kvachidrupam. That kind of a beautiful, supreme beauty, nowhere has anyone ever seen. Nadhadruk means seen, ever seen. No, na eva, naiva. Nowhere, no one has ever seen that kind of supreme beauty. Nyayadam kapyasau. Apyas means belonging to. Nyayadam, first from who she is, where she belonged to. Nyayadam means to know, to learn. First you learn where she is, who she belonged to, where she belonged to. Gruhyatam cha sureshvara. Then you take possession of her. Gruhyatam. Asureshvara. You are the Lord of all Asuras. You first know where she belonged to and you take possession of her. This is your duty because she is the most beautiful. Nobody has ever seen that kind of a beauty anywhere. Okay. Sri Ratnamati Charvangi.
Sri श्रीरत्नमति चार्वङ्गी श्रीरत्नमति चार्वङ्गी
द्योतयन्ती दिशस्त्विषा
द्योतयन्ती दिशस्त्विषा द्योतयन्ती दिशस्त्विषा
स्त्रीरत्नमति चार्वङ्गी द्योतयन्ती दिशस्त्विषा
श्रीरत्नमति चार्वङ्गी द्योतयन्ती दिशस्त्विषा श्रीरत्नमति चार्वङ्गी द्योतयन्ती दिशस्त्विषा
सा तु तिष्ठति दैत्येन्द्र
साधु तिष्ठति दैत्येन्द्र साधु तिष्ठति दैत्येन्द्र
तां भवान् द्रष्टुमर्हति
तां भवान् द्रष्टुमर्हति तां भवान् द्रष्टुमर्हति
साधु तिष्ठति दैत्येन्द्र तां भवान् द्रष्टुमर्हति
साधु तिष्ठति दैत्येन्द्र तां भवान् द्रष्टुमर्हति साधु तिष्ठति दैत्येन्द्र तां भवान् द्रष्टुमर्हति
स्त्रीरत्नमति चार्वङ्गी द्योतयन्ती दिशस्त्विषा साधु तिष्ठति दैत्येन्द्र तां भवान् द्रष्टुमर्हति
श्रीरत्नमति चार्वङ्गी द्योतयन्ती दिशस्त्विषा साधु तिष्ठति दैत्येन्द्र तां भवान् द्रष्टुमर्हति श्रीरत्नमति चार्वङ्गी द्योतयन्ती दिशस्त्विषा साधु तिष्ठति दैत्येन्द्र तां भवान् द्रष्टुमर्हति.
So he saw this lady in Himachalam, Stri Ratnam Aticha Acharvangi. That Samudraya Lakshana is there, no? How a woman should look. She has got everything. Stri Ratnam, she is the jewel among all the women. They have only seen her once. See, basically, our instinct is something, we want to possess everything that is beautiful. The characteristics of Shumba is not very far away from humans. Their actions are the same. Why you have to be interested in some woman somebody has seen and you want to possess her?
Most beautiful I should have.
If anything that is wonderful, beautiful, it belongs to you. That ahankaram, that possessiveness we have now, we want to possess that. That is what, this is the beauty of this. Is we have seen asuras before. Shumba and Nishumba are very close to humans because they talk practically about what we all go through here. We see this in our world. We don't need to go anywhere to see. We see it in our world. How people are so greedy to possess everything. They can have crores and crores, but still they want to have more. Ask our politicians. See our politicians. One great examples we have here. Many great examples, in fact. So, Stri Ratnamati, she is like, every part is like, what is mentioned, Stri Ratnam, she is the jewel among the women. Dyotayanti Disha, the where she is staying now, the whole place is getting this Tvisha, the illuminated. Her light radiance gets illuminated in all the Disha, all the 10 Disha. Everywhere, like, all the directions. Satu Tishtadi Daitendra. She is worthy of at least seeing her once. The Drashtumarhati. Arhati means worthy of seeing. At least once you have to see her. Daityendra, you are Lord of all the Daityas, you have to see her at least once. She is worthy of seeing at least once. The beauty is such, like supreme beauty. How the next few lines, next few verses we have how these two are boosting his ego, praising him for what he has illegally taken possession of, that he is possessing it, praising him and boosting his ego. These are all the things that happens for us, and they have exactly pointed out like Yani Ratnani Manayo,
Yani Ratnani Manayo, Yani Ratnani Manayo,
Gajashvadini Vai Prabho,
Gajashvadini Vai Prabho, Gajashvadini Vai Prabho,
Yani Ratnani Manayo, Gajashvadini Vai Prabho,
Yani Ratnani Manayo, Gajashvadini Vai Prabho, Yani Ratnani Manayo, Gajashvadini Vai Prabho,
Trailoke tu samastani,
Trailoke tu samastani, Trailoke tu samastani,
Sampratham Brandite Grihe, Bandite Grihe,
Sampradam Bhantite Grihe, Sampradam Bhantite Grihe,
Trailoke tu samastani, Sampratham Bhantite Grihe,
Trailoke tu samastani, Sampradam Bhantite Grihe, Trailoke tu samastani, Sampradam Bhantite Grihe,
Yani Ratnani Manayo, Gajashvadini Vai Prabho, Trailoke tu samastani, Sampratham Bandite Grihe,
Yani Ratnani Manayo, Gajashvadini Vai Prabho, Trailoke tu samastani, Sampradam Bhantite Grihe, Yani Ratnani Manayo, Gajashvadini Vai Prabho, Trailoke tu samastani, Sampradam Bhantite Grihe,
Yani Ratnani Manayo, all kinds of gems, whatever gems and jewelry is present in these three worlds. Gaja is elephants, Ashva is the horses. Prabho, he is addressing this, Chandamunda are addressing Shumba as Lord, Prabho, my master. Trailoket, all the jewels and gems and Gajam and Ashvam, Samastani, all together, Sampradam, now, Bhantite Grihe, your house, Griham, they are enhancing your Griham, enhancing the beauty of your house, all the gems and the Gajam, Ashvam, gems, everything in the all the three worlds, Trailoke to Samastani, all the three worlds, whatever you have, everything is here, beautifying your house here. Bhanti means enhancing your house here. Airavata Samanito,
Airavata Samanito, Airavata Samanito,
Gajaratnam Purandarat,
Gajaratnam Purandarat, Gajaratnam Purandarat,
Airavata Samanito, Gajaratnam Purandarat,
Airavata Samanito, Gajaratnam Purandarat, Airavata Samanito, Gajaratnam Purandarat,
Parijadattaruschayam,
Parijataruschayam, Parijataruschayam,
Tathaivochchaishravahayah, तथैवोच्चैश्रवाहयः
पारिजाततरुश्चायम् तथैवोच्चैश्रवाहयः पारिजाततरुश्चायम् तथैवोच्चैश्रवाहयः
ऐरावतः समानीतो गजरत्नं पुरन्दरात् पारिजाततरुश्चायं तथैवोच्चैश्रवाहयः
ऐरावतः समानीतो गजरत्नं पुरन्दरात् पारिजाततरुश्चायम् तथैवोच्चैश्रवाहयः ऐरावतः समानीतो गजरत्नं पुरन्दरात् पारिजाततरुश्चायम्
Paruschayam, not chayam. Okay.
पारिजाततरुश्चायम् तथैवोच्चैश्रवाहयः.
So Purandara is Indra is called Purandara. So Indra has got three big things. One is Airavatam, the elephant, that white elephant that he has got with 4 tusks, and Parijata Tarus, Parijata, the beautiful tree that gives that wonderful flowers, Parijata. Parijatam, Uchchaishravas, the horse. Uchchaishravas is the horse. The three things, Kalpataru is also his only. But they have mentioned only Parijata Taru here, the tree of Parijata tree. So all these are the possessions of Purandara, that Indra. You took it from him. You have taken it from, forcibly, you have taken it from Indra. That is what he is saying. From Indra you have taken Airavatam, and which is Gajaratnam, which is the jewel among the elephants, and Parijata Taruschayam, and also the tree, Parijata tree, and Tathaiva Uchchaishravas Hayah. Uchchaishrava Hayah. Uchchaishravas is the horse. All the things that you have taken from, all these things are new. They are just beautifying your house now. So you have brought everything from Purandara. Vimanam Ham. Now he is enumerating from whom all what you have taken. Now inventory is going on. Vimanam Hamsa Samyuktam.
Vimanam Hamsa Samyuktam. Vimanam Hamsa Samyuktam.
Yetat Tishtati Tengane.
Etat Tishtati Tengane. Etat Tishtati Tengane.
Vimanam Hamsa Samyuktam Etat Tishtati Tengane.
Vimanam Hamsa Samyuktam Etat Tishtati Tengane. Vimanam Hamsa Samyuktam Etat Tishtati Tengane.
Ratnabhutamihanitam.
Ratnabhutamihanitam. Ratnabhutamihanitam.
Yadasid Vedasodbhutam.
Yadasid Vedasodbhutam. Yadasid Vedasodbhutam.
Ratnabhutamihanitam. Yadasid Vedasodbhutam.
Ratnabhutamihanitam. Yadasid Vedasodbhutam. Ratnabhutamihanitam. Yadasid Vedasodbhutam.
Vimanam Hamsa Samyuktam Etat Tishtati Tengane. Ratnabhutamihanitam. Yadasid Vedasodbhutam.
Vimanam Hamsa Samyuktam Etat Tishtati Tengane. Ratnabhutamihanitam. Yadasid Vedasodbhutam. Vimanam Hamsa Samyuktam Etat Tishtati Tengane. रत्नभूतमिहानीतं यदासीद्वेदसोद्भुतम्.
From Brahma, next. Vimanam Hamsa Samyuktam. He has got a beautiful chariot, both sides yoked with two swans, Hamsa Samyuktam, and lot of jewels, Ratna Bhuta Miha Neetam, all kinds of jewels. Tengane in your courtyard. Now it is presently seen in your courtyard. From Viman, that chariot from Brahma, yoked with two swans. Vimanam Hamsa Samyuktam. Samyuktam means two swans on both sides. Now it is seen in your courtyard. Stands here in your courtyard. Nidhiresha Mahapadma.
Nidhiresha Mahapadma. Nidhiresha Mahapadma.
Samanito Dhaneshwarat.
Samanito Dhaneshwarat. Samanito Dhaneshwarat.
Nidhiresha Mahapadma Samanito Dhaneshwarat.
Nidhiresha Mahapadma Samanito Dhaneshwarat. Nidhiresha Mahapadma Samanito Dhaneshwarat.
Kinjal Kinim Dadhau Chabdhir.
Kinjal Kinim Dadhau Chabdhir. Kinjal Kinim Dadhau Chabdhir.
Mala Mamlana Pankajam.
Mala Mamlana Pankajam. Mala Mamlana Pankajam.
Kinjal Kinim Dadhau Chabdhir Mala Mamlana Pankajam.
Kinjal Kinim Dadhau Chabdhir Mala Mamlana Pankajam. Kinjal Kinim Dadhau Chabdhir Mala Mamlana Pankajam.
Nidhiresha Mahapadma Samanito Dhaneshwarat. Kinjal Kinim Dadhau Chabdhir Mala Mamlana Pankajam.
Nidhiresha Mahapadma Samanito Dhaneshwarat. Kinjal Kinim Dadhau Chabdhir Mala Mamlana Pankajam. Nidhiresha Mahapadma Samanito Dhaneshwarat. Kinjal Kinim Dadhau Chabdhir Mala Mamlana Pankajam.
Nidhiresha is Kubera. Nidhiresha. Dhaneshwara is Kubera. Nidhiresha is his treasure. So Samanito, you just seized all the treasure from the Lord of Wealth, Kubera. Kinjal Kenim Tadau Cha Abdhir means ocean. Ocean. Kinjal Kenim, that filaments that you have in the lotus, no? That in the karnika of the lotus, you have small filaments. So, Mala Mamlana Pankajam. Mala Amlana. The one never ever fading lotuses. The lotus mala, the lotuses never fade. The filaments still look fresh all the time. That one also you took from the ocean. Ocean gave by the time he saw everyone losing it gave automatically. Okay. Chatram te varunam gehe.
Chatram te varunam gehe. Chatram te varunam gehe.
Kanchana shravitishtati.
Kanchana shravitishtati. Kanchana shravitishtati.
Chatram te varunam gehe. Kanchana shravitishtati.
क्षत्रन्ते वारुणं गेः काञ्चनस्रावितिष्ठति क्षत्रन्ते वारुणं गेः काञ्चनस्रावितिष्ठति
तथायं स्यन्दनवरो
तथायं स्यन्दनवरो
यः पुरासीत् प्रजापतेः
यः पुरासीत् प्रजापतेः
तथायं स्यन्दनवरो यः पुरासीत् प्रजापतेः
तथायं स्यन्दनवरो यः पुरासीत् प्रजापतेः तथायं स्यन्दनवरो यः पुरासीत् प्रजापतेः
छत्रं ते वारुणं गेः काञ्चनस्रावितिष्ठति तथायं स्यन्दनवरो यः पुरासीत् प्रजापतेः
क्षत्रं ते वारुणं गेः काञ्चनस्रावितिष्ठति तथायं स्यन्दनवरो यः पुरासीत् प्रजापतेः क्षत्रं ते वारुणं गेः काञ्चनस्रावितिष्ठति तथायं स्यन्दनवरो यः पुरासीत् प्रजापतेः
Chhatram means umbrella. Kanchana Sravi Tishtati. That umbrella always rains gold. Sravi, Kanchana Sravi, continuous gold raining. That umbrella from whom? Varunam, from the land of Varuna. Tatayam Syantanavaro. Syantanavaro means chariot. Chariot, it is along with that, the chariot is also there, which was once Prajapati, Purasit Prajapati, which was once possessed by Prajapati, now it is at your house. Okay, you have taken, you want me to finish next 3 or we'll finish up to this? It is okay for you? Or we'll stop with this now? For me, there is no problem. For you people, you have to say. Huh? We'll finish this 3? Okay. मृत्योरुत्क्रान्तिदा नाम शक्तिरीशा त्वया हृता मृत्योरुत्क्रान्तिदा नाम शक्तिरीशा त्वया हृता
मृत्योरुत्क्रान्तिदा नाम शक्तिरीश त्वया हृता मृत्योरुत्क्रान्तिदा नाम शक्तिरीश त्वया हृता
पाशसलिलराजस्य भ्रातुस्तव परिग्रहे पाशसलिलराजस्य भ्रातुस्तव परिग्रहे मृत्योरुत्क्रान्तिदा नाम शक्तिरीशा त्वया हृता पाशसलिलराजस्य भ्रातुस्तव परिग्रहे
मृत्योरुत्क्रान्तिदा नाम शक्तिरीश त्वया हृता पाशसलिलराजस्य भ्रातुस्तव परिग्रहे मृत्योरुत्क्रान्तिदा नाम शक्तिरीश त्वया हृता पाशसलिलराजस्य भ्रातुस्तव परिग्रहे परिग्रहे
Mrityu means Yama here. Yamadhandam is something very famous, which actually Yamadhandam takes the life away. That is what Yamadhandam has got the significance is it takes the life away, departure from life. Udgrantita is, it is like, the body, is life made powerless, means that it takes away the life. You took that from him, that power from Yama. Pasha Salila Rajasya. Pasha means that nose, the rope. Shalila Raja, the ocean king. Shalila, from who took it? Bradustava Parigrahe. Your brother took away the Parigrahe, ceased from that, from the ocean. It took the Pasha. Okay. Nishumbhasyabdhijatascha
निशुम्भस्याभिजादाश्च
Samasta Ratnajatayah
समस्तारत्नजातयः
Nishumbhasyabdhijatascha Samasta Ratnajatayah
निशुम्भस्याभिजादाश्च समस्तारत्नजातयः निशुम्भस्याभिजादाश्च समस्तारत्नजातयः
Bahnirabhidadau tubhyam
वह्निरभिदधौ तुभ्यम्
Agnishauche cha vasasi
अग्निशौचे च वाससि
Bahnirabhidadau tubhyam Agnishauche cha vasasi
वह्निरभिदधौ तुभ्यमग्निशौचे च वाससि वह्निरभिदधौ तुभ्यमग्निशौचे च वाससि
Nishumbhasyabdhijatascha Samasta Ratnajatayah Vahnirabhidadau tubhyam Agnishauche cha vasasi
निशुम्भस्याभिजादाश्च समस्तारत्नजातयः वह्निरभिदधौ तुभ्यमग्निशौचे च वाससि निशुम्भस्याभिजादाश्च समस्तारत्नजातयः वह्निरभिदधौ तुभ्यमग्निशौचे च वाससि.
So between Shumbha and Nishumbha, what all they possessed. So Nishumbha has taken all the gems that come from the sea. Abdhi means sea. Samastha Ratna Jate, all kinds of gems. It is in his possession, Nishumbha's possession. Vahni Rabi Dadau Tasya. Agni Devata has given Tubhyam, he has given you what? Agni Shauchecha Vasasi. Purified in the garments, Vasa means garments. Agni Shauche, purified in Agni itself. So that is a permanent garment which will not get burnt by the fire. It is purified in fire. That kind of garment Agni Devata gave it to you. So he is telling all these things. You have got everything, you have taken it away from everybody. You have taken it forcibly. Why don't you do this also? That is what the next line is. Yevam Daityendra Ratnani.
Evam Daityendra Ratnani. Evam Daityendra Ratnani.
Samastanya Hrutani De.
Samastanya Hrutani Te. Samastanya Hrutani Te.
Yevam Daityendra Ratnani Samastanya Hrutani Te.
Evam Daityendra Ratnani Samastanya Hrutani Te. Evam Daityendra Ratnani Samastanya Hrutani Te.
Stri श्रीरत्नमेषा कल्याणी
श्रीरत्नमेषा कल्याणी श्रीरत्नमेषा कल्याणी
त्वया कस्मान्न गृह्यते
त्वया कस्मान्न गृह्यते त्वया कस्मान्न गृह्यते
स्त्रीरत्नमेषा कल्याणी त्वया कस्मान्न गृह्यते
श्रीरत्नमेषा कल्याणी त्वया कस्मान्न गृह्यते श्रीरत्नमेषा कल्याणी त्वया कस्मान्न गृह्यते
एवं दैत्येन्द्ररत्नानि समस्तान्याहृतानि ते स्त्रीरत्नमेषा कल्याणी त्वया कस्मान्न गृह्यते
एवं दैत्येन्द्ररत्नानि समस्तान्याहृतानि ते श्रीरत्नमेषा कल्याणी त्वया कस्मान्न गृह्यते एवं दैत्येन्द्ररत्नानि समस्तान्याहृतानि ते श्रीरत्नमेषा कल्याणी त्वया कस्मान्न गृह्यते.
Thus, Daitendra, you have taken everything from everybody. You have taken possession of that. You have seized from them. They didn't give you very happily. You seized from them. So, Stri Ratnamesha Kalyani Tvaya Kasma Na Gryate. Why should not you have her? Stri Ratnamesha Kalyani. She is so beautiful. She is the jewel among all the women. Why you should not possess her? This is the question. Chandamunda is fanning his ego, fanning his pride, and flattering him to that extent. All goods are there with him, but all are stolen goods. The stolen part of it is completely missing here. All stolen goods. He is so proud of that. Like all our politicians who boast their wealth stolen from the public. Yeah, you take this also. This is how they are instigating Shumba and Shumba to get into the war, and they also get carried away. Forgot about this. Okay. Rishiruvacha evam savadiyuktanam devanam tatra parvati स्नातुमभ्याययौतो ये जाह्नव्यान् नृपनन्दन साब्रवीतान् सुरान् शुभ्रोर्भवद्भिस्तूयतेऽत्रका शरीरकोशतश्चास्याः समुद्भूता ब्रवीच्छिवा स्तोत्रं ममैतत् क्रियते शुम्भदैत्यनिराकृतैः देवैः समेतैः समरे निशुम्भेन पराजितैः शरीरकोशाध्यस्तस्याः पार्वत्या निःसृताम्बिका कौशिकीति समस्तेषु तथो लोकेषु गीयते तस्यां विनिर्गतायां तु कृष्णा भूत्सापि पार्वती कालिकेति समाख्याता हिमाचलकृताश्रया ततोऽम्बिकां परं रूपं बिभ्राणां सुमनोहरम् ददर्श चण्डो मुण्डश्च भृत्यौ शुम्भनिशुम्भयोः ताभ्यां शुम्भाय चाख्याता अतीव सुमनोहरा काप्यास्ते स्त्री महाराज वासयन्ती हिमाचलम् नैव तादृक्वचिद्रूपं दृष्टं केनचिदुत्तमम् न्यायतां काप्यसौ देवी गृह्यतां चासुरेश्वर स्त्रीरत्नमति चार्वङ्गी द्योतयन्ती दिशस्त्विषा सा तु तिष्ठति दैत्येन्द्र तां भवान् द्रष्टुमर्हति यानि रत्नानि मणयो गजाश्वादीनि वै प्रभो त्रैलोक्ये तु समस्तानि साम्प्रतं भान्तिते गृहे ऐरावतः समानीतो गजरत्नं पुरन्दरात् पारिजाततरुश्चायं तथैवोच्चैश्रवाहयः विमानं हंस संयुक्तमेतत्तिष्ठति तेऽङ्गणे रत्नभूतमिहानीदं यदासीद्वेदसोद्भुतम् निधिरेश महापद्मः समानीतो धनेश्वरात् किञ्जल्किनीं ददौ चाब्धिर्मालामम्लानपङ्कजाम् छत्रं ते वारुणं गेहे काञ्चनस्रावितिष्ठति तथायं स्यन्दनवरो यत्पुरासे प्रजापतेः मृत्योरुत्क्रान्तिदा नाम शक्तिरीशा त्वया हृदा पाशः सलिलराजस्य भ्रातुस्तव परिग्रहे निशुम्भस्याब्धिजाताश्च समस्ता रत्नजातयः वह्निरपि तदौ तुभ्यमग्निशौचे च वाससि एवं दैत्येन्द्ररत्नानि समस्तान्याभृतानि ते स्त्रीरत्नमेषा कल्याणी त्वया कस्मान्न गृह्यते।